Alright, I just got something in here from Craft Supplies USA, and what I got was this Premium Badger Shaving Brush Kit with a gunmetal finish, and then the matching Artisan Classic Razor Shaving and Brush Stand Kit, gunmetal also. And some bushings, and then in here, oh, the plastic bushings were for, this is for the razor kit. These plastic bushings are some bushings I got for turning some titanium ring inserts that are my wife's size. One narrow and then one that's a little bit fatter. And then safety razor kit, gunmetal. This I had actually just opened up already, and there are the parts for that. Looks like real simple turns. So anyway, I'm going to go about first turning the bristle brush, this shaving brush. So let me show you that. It has the ring included in a gunmetal finish with a 3/8 thread that is approximately 5/8 of an inch long. So I'm going to start out by finding a blank that I like and drilling a hole that I will be tapping, and probably putting some CA glue into the threads to secure them when I screw this in, and we'll see what we do. I'm going to use a piece of the zebra wood and cut it to size. Okay, they say to go with an 11/32 drill bit, and then use a 3/8 tap to tap the piece out. I just found that if I tried the 11/32 it was too big, so I'm going down here actually to a 5/16 to start out with, and I'll see how that works, because for one thing I'm doing this into zebra wood, so it's a little softer, the grain tears out a little bit more, so I'm going to go with a tighter thread, and then I'll probably put a thread sealer like a CA glue or something down into those threads when I screw this all together. Spinning down here around 500, and I'm going to drill just over a 5/8 inch deep hole. Half inch. Alright, so I got it drilled and tapped, but the threads do not work at all with this wood. Might work better with another wood, but not a big fan of that. Probably better to do the other style if you're going to do this. Anyway, I'm going to give this a try. What I'm going to do is epoxy the threads in. It's a nice fit, it's just that it's not really fitting and threading in, even though I put some CA glue on. So now what I'm going to do, just going to kind of mark close to what I'm going to be turning to. Then I will double check and come back and do what I need to. Whoops, sorry. Just marking all the way around here. Do what I need to do to find that location. Later I'll take some caliber measurements and stuff like that in order to make sure everything's fitting nice. Okay, so here's the shape I'm getting. Looks pretty good. I'm going to do a little sanding on it now. Get rid of some of those little transition bumps. But I think that's going to look nice. I decided to put a little bead on it here, just as a little decoration right on that point. And I think this will work out real well. Alright, I got a nice fit. Looks like it's going to be a good finish. And now I'll start applying some CA glue to this piece, and then I'll start applying some CA glue to this piece and show you the finished product. All right, I just put one coat of CA glue on here. I'm using this stuff, Stick Fast Instant Adhesive. This is the thin, and I like it because it goes and penetrates very deeply into this piece. And then I'll do okay, and another coat. All right, that looks pretty good. All right, so I just used this to sand down the head, and now I'm applying some more CA glue by hand just to the end here, and then I'll polish it and buff it up, get a nice sheen on it. All right, I just put a little Yorkshire grit here on this pad, and what I did was put a piece of sandpaper on to protect the Velcro a little bit, and I'm putting some Yorkshire grit on there. And now I'm polishing the CA glue on the head of this piece. Oh yeah, it's working nice. All right, let's wipe this down now. And hopefully you can see this has got a real nice sheen on that top there. Anyway, I think this piece is done. I'll do a little more buffing without any paste, and then I'll be finished here. All right, this turned out real nice. Nice finish. Pretty piece. I did kind of blow through my clear coat in one spot here, and you can see it absorbing a little more oil maybe. I'm not sure, but I think that's what that was. But anyway, turned out real nice. Beautiful piece of zebrano, and it's all epoxied in now, ready to go. Next thing I'll do is make the hanger stand for it and the safety razor. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a like and share. All right, so here I am back in the studio, and I'm taking this blank of brass here. I'm going to drill this zebrano wood piece out in order to make the upright column for the stand to hold my safety razor and my badger hair brush. So first thing I have to do is drill this piece out. All right, I've got my brass tube glued in, and now I'll trim this end off. All right, here's the finished piece. Turned out real nice. It's easy to put together. It just screws and unscrews to the base. and then I'll get a shot of everything together once I'm finished with all these pieces. Thanks for watching another episode of The Naked Turner. Hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, share it, leave me a comment if you so desire. Thanks for watching. I have one more piece of zebra wood chucked up here to make the handle of the safety razor, and then all three of these pieces will be done. Get started turning here, safety gear, and spinning up here around right up around 3,000 RPM. Here, checking my bushing size, and then checking this. Okay, that looks like that's going to be real nice. Okay, perfect. Just going right up to the bushing here. Go. I think that's going to be perfect. A little bit of refining here. Alright, there's the handle. Came out real nice. I think that's going to work real well. I'll get some shots of everything put together, hanging up. Thanks again for watching another episode of The Naked Turner.